Twitter is upset with Elon and also a dip in revenue. Like a lot of social media companies, we talked recently about winter. Social media winter, crypto winter, stock market winter, economic winter, political winter. All the winters. Heat wave, not winter.
No.
That's happening too. Anyway, it's a tough time for social media for a number of reasons. Obviously, economic downturn, but then also some of those recent developments with what Apple's doing, the privacy, and everyone's got all these avenues, all these different blames going on. With Twitter, they can just blame Musk and say, hey, this has cost us a lot of money. It's bad news for us. The battle is ongoing. But advertising revenue in the meantime rose just 2% to $1.08 billion, which didn't meet Wall Street's expectations of $1.22 billion. And it doesn't sound like much of a difference, but that matters to Wall Street. Well,
it sure does.
And few would know that as intimately as you do.
And Mo.
Never mind Mo. Mo's on a different level with that. He's very concerned. He's listening from home right now. Get well soon, Mo.
Yeah.
Give him a get well soon, Will. Because I know you feel somewhat responsible. So
get better,
Mo. Shout out, Mo. Twitter is now in the unenviable position of convincing advertisers that its ad business is solid, regardless of how its court battle with Musk ends. It's such a tough spot for them because they're getting blasted in public, big ticket news. Elon saying, all you guys got is bots over there. And then they have meetings with advertisers. Like, no, not bots, real people, we promise. Don't listen to that Musk guy. And the advertiser's like, well, I read the headlines. Show me the bots. And they're like, well, we can't show you the bots. We didn't show him the bots. We're not going to show you the bots. Mm-hmm. So that people, everybody's skeptical. Twitter said its net loss was $270 million or 35 cents per share. And then they talked about active users, 237.8 million, which also missed expectations of 238.7. And then they claimed their spam accounts and bot accounts represented fewer than 5%, which is a figure it has repeated since 2013. Like, if all your users go up, don't your bots go up too? What is this? They're locked at 5%? Do I sound like Elon right now? Probably what he's saying. So everything else goes up. Bots stay at 5. Bots don't go down. Bots don't go up. They stay at 5. No, you cannot see the books.
Okay.
No bot books for you.
I'm going to buy Twitter. I want to.
Listen, I don't know, guys. I don't know about all this. I don't know the reasoning, the motivations. I can speculate. You can speculate. You can read the lines. You can also read between the lines. It's completely up to you. But there's a lot of things going against Twitter at the moment.